He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of grace, emotional sensitivity, and refined vocal tone, Jimin didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming a foundation in dance into one of the most expressive performance styles in modern pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 13, 1995 in Busan, South Korea, Jimin's journey began far from global stages and international recognition. Performance was his earliest language. He trained in contemporary dance from a young age and later attended Busan High School of Arts, where he developed discipline, control, and emotional storytelling through movement. Encouraged by mentors, he pursued an audition for Big Hit Entertainment, stepping into a path that would reshape his life. Years of disciplined training followed. Entering as one of the later trainees, he faced intense pressure to match the level of others within a short period. Through persistence and relentless practice, he refined his vocals, dance technique, and stage presence while adapting to the demanding standards of the K-pop industry. In 2013, he officially debuted as a vocalist and performer in BTS. The group's early impact quickly positioned them as a rising force, and Jimin's expressive dance style and emotionally driven performances became one of the defining elements of their identity. His performance style, fluid yet powerful, precise yet deeply emotional, stood out across both high-energy choreography and slower, introspective pieces. As BTS expanded into global markets, headlining stadium tours and dominating international charts, Jimin emerged as a key figure in bridging performance artistry with emotional connection. His solo chapter marked a significant evolution. In 2023, he released his debut solo album, Face, with tracks like Crazy, achieving historic international success. The project revealed a more introspective layer of his artistry, exploring themes of identity, pressure, and self-reflection. Rather than relying solely on group success, he demonstrated individuality and personal storytelling. By 2026, Jimin is regarded as a versatile global performer. Industry professionals recognize his consistency and emotional depth. Audiences connect with his authenticity, and fashion houses view him as a refined cultural figure. His career reflects careful growth, balancing group achievements with solo exploration. Off-stage, his lifestyle blends discipline with quiet elegance. He maintains routines that support physical conditioning, vocal care, and mental focus. His approach to daily life reflects balance, structure, and sustained creative attention. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic identity. Known for sleek silhouettes and modern luxury styling, he frequently represents global brands and appears at international fashion events. His poised confidence allows him to transition seamlessly between performance stages and high-fashion environments. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently directs attention toward his work and artistic development. Within the industry, he is described as dedicated, introspective, and deeply connected to his craft. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, endorsements, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, he has secured international recognition and lasting influence within the global expansion of K-pop. What many find compelling is his emotional transparency. Through both performance and music, he conveys vulnerability and sincerity, creating a connection that feels genuine and enduring. This emotional clarity defines his artistic presence. Jimin's journey is defined by refinement rather than repetition. From a dance student in Busan to a global performer, his rise reflects discipline, sensitivity, and artistic intention. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, expressive, composed, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of discipline, emotional intelligence, and unmistakable creative energy, Bang Chan didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. He crafted an identity of his own, transforming years of sacrifice and musical passion into one of the most respected leadership stories in modern pop culture. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 3, 1997, in Seoul, South Korea, and raised in Sydney, Australia, Bang Chan's journey began far from the intense entertainment system of Seoul. Music became part of his life early on. He developed a strong interest in singing, performance, and production while growing up in Australia, gradually building the confidence and ambition that would shape his future. Encouraged by his passion for music, he auditioned for JYP Entertainment in Australia as a teenager and successfully secured a trainee position. Soon after, he made the difficult decision to move to South Korea, stepping into an unfamiliar environment and one of the industry's most demanding training systems. Years of disciplined training followed. Under JYP Entertainment, Bang Chan refined his vocals, dance ability, production skills, and stage presence while adapting to the intense expectations of the K-pop industry. His trainee period became one of the longest among fourth-generation idols, lasting nearly 7 years and shaping him into both a performer and creative leader. In 2018, he officially debuted as the leader of Stray Kids. Unlike many idol groups, Stray Kids established a strong self-produced identity from the beginning, with Bang Chan playing a major role in songwriting, production, and overall artistic direction through the production unit 3 Racha. The group's explosive energy and emotionally honest music quickly attracted international attention, positioning them among the leading names in modern K-pop. Bang Chan's influence became central to the group's identity. His balanced leadership, calm communication style, and creative involvement earned respect both inside and outside the industry. Whether performing high-intensity tracks or producing emotionally reflective songs, he consistently demonstrated versatility and artistic control. As Stray Kids expanded globally through chart-topping albums, sold-out world tours, and massive streaming success, Bang Chan emerged as one of the most recognizable leaders of his generation. International audiences connected with his openness, resilience, and strong sense of responsibility toward both fans and fellow members. By 2026, Bang Chan is regarded as a versatile global performer and producer. Industry professionals recognize his ability to balance leadership with artistry. Audiences admire his sincerity and work ethic, and brands increasingly view him as an influential cultural figure. His career reflects long-term strategy, creative independence, and sustained growth. Offstage, his lifestyle combines structure with authenticity. He maintains a demanding routine centered around studio work, physical fitness, rehearsals, and creative development. Music production continues to occupy a major part of his daily life, often extending late into the night as he works on future projects and ideas. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic personality. Bang Chan is known for blending relaxed streetwear aesthetics with sharp modern styling, creating a look that feels confident yet approachable. Whether appearing at concerts, public events, or casual live streams, he projects a grounded charisma that feels natural rather than overly curated. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains measured about what he reveals. He consistently keeps focus on music, teamwork, and artistic progress. Within the industry, he is frequently described as dependable, hardworking, and deeply committed to supporting the people around him. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, music production, album sales, endorsements, and international collaborations. Beyond financial achievement, he has built strong credibility as both an idol and a creator actively shaping the sound and direction of his group. What many find compelling is his emotional transparency. Bang Chan speaks openly about pressure, exhaustion, self-growth, and the realities of leadership, channeling those experiences into both music and communication with fans. This honesty quietly defines his connection with audiences worldwide. Bang Chan's journey is marked by persistence rather than shortcuts. From a trainee living far from home to the leader of one of the world's most successful K-pop groups, his rise reflects discipline, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication to music. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, focused, resilient, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.